Hello everyone. In this lecture we'll discuss how to find packing efficiency, that is area wise, for a 2D hexagonal closed packing. So we can say these are the spheres just like the atoms, okay, that are packed in 2D hexagonal closed packing, and we have to calculate the packing efficiency area wise. In this case we can see the coordination number of the atom is 6, because if you see this atom is attached directly to the 6 surrounding atoms forming a hexagon. If you join the centers of these spheres which are surrounding this sphere, it will form a hexagon. That's why it is known as hexagonal close packing. So to find the packing efficiency, we can just take this one hexagon unit and we can find the packing efficiency inside that, and that will be the packing efficiency of this 2D hexagonal lattice. Okay. If you try to join these corners, opposite corner, if you try to join the opposite corners, we are getting 6 equilateral triangle, because if you see this triangle, this is one of the equilateral triangle where we can see this is R and this is R, this is R, this is R, so side is what of 2R, this is R and this is R, so this side will be also of length 2R. So there are 6 equilateral triangle, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the area of hexagon is very simple. We can say how to find the area of this hexagon. Area of hexagon, it will be 6 times area of one triangle, area of one of the triangle, that is equilateral triangle, and area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. Side length in terms of R is 2R, so 2R to the whole square. Okay, that is the area of hexagon. Now second, we have to find the area that is occupied by the atom, basically area inside the hexagon which is occupied by the atom. So how many effective atoms are present in this hexagon, that we need to find. Okay, so if you see, this is one effective atom which is completely inside this hexagon, and this angle is since 120 degree. Okay, so 1 by 3 part of this sphere, or we can say this circle, will be inside, so its contribution, one of the atom contribution is 1 by 3. This will also be having 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. So total atom, we can say total effective atom inside the hexagon is equal to 1 plus 6 into 1 by 3, that is 3. Okay, so area occupied by the atom will be area occupied by the atom, that will be simply equal to 3 into pi r square. Okay, because in 2D it will be just like circle. So what is the packing efficiency? Now we'll come to the packing efficiency. That is area wise, that is area occupied by the atom, that is 3 pi r square divided by total area of the hexagon, that is 6 into root 3 by 4 into side square, that is 2r whole square. Now we have to simply simplify that. After simplifying, even we'll simplify, this will be coming approximately 0.907, or we can say approximately 90.7% of the area of this hexagon has been occupied by the atom. So that is the packing efficiency area wise for this hexagonal close packing. Okay, and when you stack this hexagonal close packing in 3D, you will be able to generate FCC and HCP crystal structure. For FCC, stacking should be ABC type, and HCP stacking should be AB, AB type. Okay. And coordination number of any atom that is present in this hexagonal close packing is 6. That's all. Thank you.